a month, that too in dollars. Sorry, 7 figures in rupees per month. Okay. This is the call to action you can use. Same for photographer, same for real estate. Another thing is, okay. Again, you can use reels as well. You can see this was one of the best day. We did 1 lakh in one day. Not even one day, in like 12 hours. What I did is comment scale if you are a coach trainer and want to launch, grow, scale your online training system to 7 figures. You can see the engagement. Comments, there were, I think, 25 plus comments, and I got a client from there as well. You can see this caption as well. Comment scale if you are a coach trainer. You can do something like that. Comment photographer. Comment comment yes if you are running a e-commerce store and want to grow your sales by 20x. That's it. This is how you will get clients. You can also post testimonial videos. अगर आप पहले से ही बिजनेस में हो तो हमेशा याद रखना, जब भी आपके क्लाइंट को 2-3 महीने हो चुके हैं और आपके सर्विसेज से खुश है, तो उनसे आप टेस्टिमोनियल वीडियोस मांगो. उनको आप बोल सकते हो, कैन यू प्लीज रिकॉर्ड अ टेस्टिमोनियल वीडियो एंड शेयर योर व्यूज अबाउट माई वर्क, लाइक ऑनेस्ट फीडबैक. आस्क देम. लॉट ऑफ पीपल वो मांगते ही नहीं टेस्टिमोनियल्स. आप मेरे वेबसाइट पे जाके देख सकते हो कितने टेस्टिमोनियल्स. Ask your clients about testimonials. Tell them, can you please give me a testimonial video? There's a way. First, tell them, I hope you are enjoying my, it's been 2 months I'm working with you. I'm really loving the collaboration. Uh, I hope you are doing this, you are feeling the same, and I can see the results as well. So, would be great if you can shoot a quick testimonial video sharing your experience for my services. It would really help me. ऐसे बोल सकते हो. You can say last में ऐसे बोल सकते हो, I'll feature your testimonial on my website because you're one of my favorite clients. You can use words like this. Number 5, leverage your Instagram stories. जैसे मैंने रील्स में किया था, आई डू सेम विद दिस इंस्टाग्राम स्टोरी. सेम स्टोरी होती है, मेरे पास स्क्रीनशॉट नहीं है, मैं बिकॉज आई डोंट हैव इंस्टाग्राम ऐप राइट नाउ. So I only managed to take green screenshot. Same story, same video with different call to action. Reply yes if you are a coach trainer and want to grow your business. This is a formula you can use. This is a copy you can use. Reply yes if you are a real estate agent. Reply yes if you are a photographer. Reply yes if you are this, and want to do this results. And I'm telling you, you will get a lot of clients, because once somebody is replying yes to your story, you can start a conversation. Now it's up to you how you are taking this forward. You got a lead, right? Next, now some bonus tips I would like to share with you. It's like create your own landing page जहाँ पे आप अपना काम शोकेस करोगे. Showcase your work, what you do, whether you're into e-commerce, Facebook ads, whether you're into coaches and trainers or real estate photographers. Showcase the client testimonial, showcase the work, showcase the services. वो सारी चीज़ें आप showcase करो आप. And it should have a call to action button which says book a free strategy call, right? Book a free strategy call. Then you can use Calendly to create your call booking link. Calendly is free to use. You can also go with paid plan, but free is enough, I think. You can create one link for free and add some question. There's something called pre-qualifying the leads. आप फ्री स्ट्रैटेजी दे रहे हो, उसका मतलब ये नहीं कि किसी से बात कर लोगे, राइट? स्टार्टिंग में आपका टाइम बाद में नहीं होगा. What you want to do is pre-qualify them. Ask them some questions. What's your business all about? What struggles you're facing right now, right? What's your net worth, or what's your business revenue? What are the on average monthly orders you are getting if it's e-commerce? How many are you using social media already? तो इससे क्या होगा, आपको पहले ही चीजें पता चल जाएगी कि बंदा करता क्या है कॉल से पहले उनके पेज. This question is must. What are the struggles you are facing right now? And next question could be this: how Piyush can help you uh, with this. ऐसे कुछ आप डाल सकते हो. I usually use 3 to 4 questions. You can do this. Again, one more thing. Always monitor your profile. आपको कोई भी follow करता है तो जाओ उनका profile check करो. आपको लगता है कि हाँ, this could be my potential client, go welcome them. Hello, welcome to my Instagram family. Would love to know more about your brand. उन्होंने खुद ने मुझे मैसेज किया था. Yes, looking at your profile, would like to share too. That's why I told you set up your profile, because लोग आपका profile देखते हैं. I'm telling you. So मेरे प्रोफाइल में क्लियर कट लिखा है कि आई हेल्प कोचेस एंड ट्रेनर्स, एंड दिस लेडी ओवर हियर इज कोच, कम्युनिकेशन कोच. So उनको पता कैसे चला I help coaches in business? Because मैंने bio लिखा था. Then we had a call and rest is the history. I got client. Again, I got a lead from my Instagram bio. उन्होंने खुद ने मुझे मैसेज किया, हेलो पीयूष, वुड लाइक टू स्पीक विथ यू ऑन योर सर्विसेज. हेलो, थैंक यू फॉर रीचिंग आउट, दिस. देन वी एक्सचेंज numbers and we were on call, and she paid me for services. She hired me, right? Simple है. Bio, don't underestimate the power of bio and link in bio. You can go on my Instagram and check out the bio I'm using, check out the link I'm using. You will get some ideas. I hope that's making sense. Again, one bonus tip I would like to share. While you're on call with client, let's suppose मैंने आपको बता दिया how to generate leads, how to book appointments, but ultimately you want to close the client. वो आपके साथ call पे आएगा. उसके बाद ये decide होगा वो बंदा close होगा नहीं होगा. So while you're on call, make sure you're on Zoom call, share your screen. Again, don't just tell them, show them what you can do for them, show them what their competitors are doing, show them what's missing out there on the website, show them how you can add value, show them how you can help, show them how your services can help them, right? Show them what their competitors are doing and they are not doing, right? Live उनको बताओ, live वो ही time पे. That will make more sense, that will create more authority, more trust, because your goal while on call should be adding value, giving them free consultations, helping them. That's it. You don't need to talk about pricings, you don't need to talk about services, you just need to talk about their product, how you can help them, what are the things they are doing, what are the things they can do, and some quick marketing tips, right? System number 3, which is one of my favorite. I told you I got all my clients using this, almost 90% of my clients using this, and now I'm having 8 regionals, सारे के सारे इसी से आए, network से, because I have a strong network in market. Leveraging your network, but how you leverage, there's exact way. काफी लोगों को network होता है पर उनको पता नहीं leverage कैसे करना है. Let me tell you, let me show you. Would you like to know about that, or should I skip this topic? Would you like to know about that? Type yes. Okay, Piyush Malpur is also here. Hi. Okay, awesome. So let me talk about network. What you need to do is, there's something called introduction. You just need to ask for introductions to in your network, but you need to be a little wise on that. आप किसी को भी नहीं कर सकते मैसेज, उनके साथ रिलेशन कैसा है उसके ऊपर है. You just tell them this. Hi, let's say I want to reach out to anybody named Rahul. Hi Rahul, I've started my own agency, digital marketing agency, and I'm currently helping coaches and consultants setting their online system and helping them in getting 7 figures income through Facebook ads. Do you know any coach to whom I can help them in setting up this and that? Example is, do you know any coach to whom I can help with dash dash dash. You can, आप लिख सकते हो वहाँ पे जो भी लिखना है. फिर इतना उनको मैसेज करना है. आई एम टेलिंग यू, आप 5 लोगों को मैसेज करोगे, एक लीड पक्का मिलेगी आपको. 5 भी मिल सकती है, एक तो मिनिमम बता रहा हूँ. You will definitely get leads. Here's the proof of that. I'll show you the proof as well. You can also do this. Again, one more thing. Let's suppose you want to reach out to some person. Let's suppose you want to reach out to a person named Rahul. Let's suppose, okay? आपको आप पे कनेक्शन में मैं हूँ, ठीक है? पीयूष आप पे कनेक्शन में, you want to reach out to person called Rahul, and Rahul is into your second connection through me. Rahul मेरा दोस्त है, मैं उनके कनेक्शन में. What you can do is you can message me, Piyush. Hi Piyush, hope you are doing great. Can you please help me connecting with Rahul? And you can add a reason. I saw he is doing webinars, and I think I can help him setting up his webinar system. You just need to do this. You just need to ask, message people, tell them. That's the best way. Reference is the best way to get clients. Here's this proof of that. You can see, hi, I'm Piyush Shukla. Jitendra Bhai shared your number regarding Facebook ads. Boom. Hi, Piyush Shukla this side. Hope you're doing well. Last time, Avishar shared your number with me regarding this, and we had a chat. दोनों के दोनों मेरे clients हैं अभी, right? Because I use this method. You can use this. It's very simple. I'm telling you, right? But ऐसा मत करना कि आपने किसी को मैसेज किया, hi, I'm Piyush, I'm doing this, I want clients, give me clients. Don't do that. There's a way. Okay, you can take screenshots if you want. And if you want the slides, ये slides सबको नहीं मिल सकती है. You need to follow some steps. Step 1 is take the screenshot of the slides. Step 2 is go on Instagram, tag PIMS Instagram handle, and tag me on Instagram. The Piyush Shukla is my username. and somebody from PIMS team will send you the slides. I think Pratham will send you. Pratham, please add your username on in the chats, PIMS username on chats. Then you will get the slides for free. Okay, stay with me. I have some more golden nuggets over here. Some amazing favorite ways. And system 4 is like asking for references to your current clients. And there's a way. आपको ये नहीं बोलना है कि hi Rahul, hi Pooja, or hi Piyush, or hi whatever the name is, I want reference from you. No, there's a way, right? You can do this. You can use this template if you want. You can take screenshot. Hi name, hi Rahul. We have been working since 6 months, 5 months, whatever time is, and I'm loving you, our collaboration, and the vision you have. I love to serve more people like you. Can you please introduce me to 3 businesses to whom you think I can add value? That's it. I'm telling you, you can double your clients using this technique. Let's say you have 3 clients right now. ये टेक्निक यूज करने के बाद आपके 6 clients गारंटी होंगे अगर अच्छे से यूज करोगे तो. Let's say you have 5 clients, you can easily double your clients because every person can give you 1% at least, right? If he's a fitness trainer, he knows other fitness trainers as well. If he's a photographer, he knows other photographers as well. Just like I'm a digital marketer, I know 100 digital marketers. I can easily refer one digital marketer to you, right? Even more. So you need to do this, right? A lot of people are not doing this. That's the best way to get clients for free. Like client say client banao aap, right? That's why I told you focus on one client. Now again, don't use words like referrals. Hey, can you give me referrals? Hey, can you refer me? No, don't do that. Use this words like, can you please connect with me with him? Can you please introduce me with him? Use such words. Don't use referral words. It sounds very salesy. Referral words thoda sales type sound karta hai. Okay, I hope it's making sense. And type yes if you're going to use these techniques. System number 5, and again it's one of the best way I'm telling you, is collaborations. But how exactly? There's a proper way. How and to with whom? That's a question, right? किसके साथ करना है, क्यों करना है, क्या डील होना चाहिए, क्या एग्जैक्टली होना चाहिए, म्यूचुअली बेनिफिट कैसे होंगे दोनों लोग, वो आपको बताता हूँ मैं. Find out people who are serving in your niche. Just a sec. Yeah. Find out people of same niche. आपको करना क्या? Let me share example with you. आपको वो लोग ढूंढना है जो सेम क्लाइंट सर्व करते हैं बट दोनों की सर्विसेज अलग है. लेट्स सपोज आप एक कॉपी राइटर हो तो आप उनको ढूंढो जो सेल्स पेजेस बनाते हैं, राइट? लेट्स से मैं सेल्स पेज बनाता हूँ तो मैं उनको ढूंढूंगा जो फेसबुक एड्स करते हैं, राइट? इससे क्या होता है, दोनों के क्लाइंट सेम है बट सर्विसेज अलग है. आप दोनों एक दूसरे के कंप्यूटर्स नहीं हो. लेट्स सपोज एक बंदा ग्राफिक डिजाइनर है, एक बंदा कॉपी राइटर है. लेट्स से कॉम्बिनेशन अच्छा वाला बताता हूँ आपको. कॉपी राइटर और फेसबुक एड्स एक्सपर्ट का अच्छा कॉम्बिनेशन बन सकता है बिकॉज फेसबुक एड्स में कॉपी राइटिंग लगती है. दोनों के क्लाइंट बेस सेम है बट सर्विसेज अलग है और दोनों एक दूसरे कंप्यूटर्स नहीं है, right? Maybe you are a graphic designer. You can collab with somebody who is into Facebook ads. Let me share some examples with you. Let's say if you're a copywriter, you can collab with Facebook ad expert. You can collab with funnel page designers. You can collab with graphic designers, website designers, SEO experts, right? Let's say I'm a website designer. Let's suppose I'm a website designer. You are a copywriter. You will come to me and you will tell me, मतलब अच्छे से बात करोगे as a friend. मतलब आपके friend circle में ढूंढना पहले तो. You can collab with me like, hey, you're a website designer, so I'm a copywriter. I'm sure your clients might need these services. ऐसे कोई अच्छे से बात करो उनसे. मैं रफली बता रहा हूँ आपको. There should be a way, proper way, right? So you can do this. Do you think this technique will help you getting clients? And let's say you are a Facebook ad expert. You can collab with copywriters. You can collab with sales funnel designers. You can collab with graphic designers. You will easily get clients because आपके client base same है, target audience same है, but services अलग है. You are not competitors. You can be friends. I'm doing the same. I'm into Facebook ads. I'm into email marketing. I'm into automation. I'm into sales page, but I'm not good in copywriting, and I don't want to learn that. I don't want to invest my time learning copywriting. So why don't I hire best people? So one of the copywriter, his name is Sarthak. He has collaborated with me. So he's getting clients for free through me. All my 8 clients are his clients. जो भी 15 clients की बात कर रहा था मैं उसमें से almost 11-12 clients जो है वो उसके भी clients हैं copywriting के लिए, because I don't know copywriting. I don't sell copywriting services. I don't want to sell copywriting services, right? And same with him. He referred me one client because he was providing copywriting services. He don't know how to use Facebook ads. I know how to do it. He introduced me to that person. This is how I got one client. This is how he got some clients. That's simple. You need to do same. If you're a graphic designer, again, collab with Facebook ad experts. ग्राफिक डिजाइनर्स और वीडियो एडिटर्स को तो बेस्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी है, बिकॉज फेसबुक एड एक्सपर्ट जो होते हैं, जो एजेंसीज होती है, डिजिटल मार्केटिंग एजेंसीज, ऑफकोर्स वो लोग ये प्रोवाइड थोड़ी करेंगे, वो लोग थोड़ी ग्राफिक डिजाइन प्रोवाइड करेंगे, वीडियो एडिटिंग उनके पास टीम होगी तो बात अलग है, बट कोलैब विद फ्रीलांसर्स. I have collaborated with graphic designer, I have collaborated with one video editor, so they are getting clients for like literally doing nothing. They are getting through me, right? Because हमने collaboration किया है, right? So you can do the same if you're a graphic designer or a video editor, and same with Facebook ads, same with copywriting. I told you, right? I hope that's making sense. I want some interaction in comment sections. Okay. System number 6. Now this is also one most important thing. हमने clients की बात की, but I would like to tell you, focus on retainers. रिटेनर्स मतलब जो आपको हर महीने पैसे देंगे, हर महीने आपकी सर्विसेज लेंगे, हर महीने वो सब्सक्रिप्शन मॉडल बोलो इसका. फोकस ऑन रिटेनर्स, नॉट जस्ट फोकस ऑन क्लाइंट्स. फोकस ऑन रिटेनर्स, राइट? एंड there's a amazing way which I have discovered, which I have created by my own, from which you can literally upgrade the plan of the client. Let's suppose client ने आपकी फेसबुक एड सर्विसेज ली है और आप उनको ईमेल मार्केटिंग पे देना चाहते हो. आप कैसे करोगे? एक तरीका मैं बताता हूँ आपको. लेट्स सपोज किसी ने आपको लैंडिंग पेज के लिए पे किया, लैंडिंग पेज सर्विसेज लिए, आप उनको फेसबुक ऐड भी दे सकते हो, राइट? तो लैंडिंग पेज इज अ वन टाइम थिंग. लैंडिंग पेज हर महीने थोड़ी बनेगा. इट्स अ वन टाइम थिंग. ही माइट पे यू 30,000, 50,000, 1 lakh, whatever you are charging, whatever your charges are, maybe 10,000, maybe 5,000, जो भी आपके चार्जेस. वन टाइम होगा, he paid you 10,000, he paid you 20,000, that's it. But how will you make sure that he is paying you every single month? You need a service which is on retainer basis, like Facebook ads. Facebook ads is not like that कि एक बार मैंने बना लिया तो हमेशा चलेगा. I need to keep on updating, keep on optimizing, keep on checking ads, monitoring ads every single day. Right, that's a retaining service. So how will I do that? This is how I do. I'll tell you. I have a service. I have first. Let's suppose any coach is coming to me, or any consultant or any trainer who wants to start his own webinar or own online courses. So what I do is, of course, first I'm not going to sell him Facebook ad services, because उसके बाद sales page नहीं तो क्या करेगा Facebook ads का, right? So what I do is, first I pitch him, or first I ask, sell him, offer him my setup service, which includes sales page, membership area, entire course setup. Also includes copywriting, because I told you I collaborated with one copywriter. He does that work. And along with this setup thing, also some email software setups, automation setup. Along with that, I offer them 7 to 14 days of free Facebook ad trial. I offer them, again I will repeat, they pay me for my service, sales page services. Also I have 3 plans, उसमें मेरे 3 plans हैं. One plan is only sales page, second plan is sales page with membership and course setup. Third plan is everything, email automation, Zapier and everything. Let's say कोई पहला प्लान लेता है, दूसरा लेता है, तीसरा कोई भी प्लान लेता है. I offer them 7 to 14 days of free Facebook ads trial for free. I don't charge them, right? Let's say my basic plan starts from 50,000. Let's suppose setup fees is 50,000. So he paid me 50,000. That's a one-time thing. I created sales page. It took me, let's suppose, 1 week. I created automation. I set up everything, email marketing software. It took me, let's say, 1 or 2 weeks, right? उसके बाद क्या, मेरे फेसबुक एड सर्विसेज भी, राइट? फिर कैसे सेल करूँ उसको बोलूँ कि बाय माय सर्विसेज? नो. Again, I told you first as well, don't tell them, show them. Don't tell them कि how Facebook ads work. Show them. उनको दिखाओ उनके प्रोडक्ट पे. Simple. Show them. Don't tell them that I can give you Facebook ad services. I can give you 10x results through Facebook ads. No. Show them. Hi, I would like to offer you free 7 days trial of my Facebook ad services, because you signed up for my sales pitch services. So I'm really loving the collaboration. So I would like to go. कौन आपको मना करेगा? You can go ahead with them, right? And once the trial ended, and I make sure in trial period they get some results and they get some traction. Number one, they start believing in Facebook ads. Yes, Facebook ads से result आते हैं. Number two, they understand the need. Yes, I need Facebook ads. इससे मुझे result आ रहा है, इससे मुझे business आ रहा है. Number three, they trust you because they already bought your services and you gave them free trial. So there's 99% chances, 99.99%, almost 100% chances. चलो 0.1% हटा देते हैं, that they will opt in for your Facebook ad services. They will be your retainers. I'm damn sure. This is what I'm doing. This is the exact thing I'm doing. This is the exact thing I did with those clients. Because I add value. I added value. कभी कभी 3 weeks भी हो जाता है. It could be 1 week, 2 week, 3 week, depend on the plan they are buying, depend on the amount they are paying me. And I have 3 plans. One is basic, then premium, then ultra premium. So depend on the plan. So like 1 week, 2 week, or maximum 3 weeks, not more than that. Right? So do you think this is how you can convert your client into high paying retailer? Do you think? Do you believe? Type yes if you believe, literally. Right? Again, next thing is like pricing plans. Again, just like I told you right now, I charge one-time fees, which is a setup fees, and after that, let's say if somebody is signing up for my services of, let's say, Facebook ad services. If somebody's going ahead with Facebook ad services, I charge a base fees plus commissions. And second model is base fees only. Third model is less base fees, more commissions. Let me share an example with you. Number one could be, let's say, 50,000 plus 20% commissions on your profits, on your Facebook ad profits, whatever you make over there. Second could be, let's say वो बोलता है कि नहीं मैं commission share नहीं करूँगा. Okay, you can tell them, okay, then I will charge 100,000 per month, right? Or he's telling, okay, I can't afford that fees, but I'm ready to share commissions. You can do this. Okay, no problem. Let's go ahead with this. 30,000 plus 25% commission plus 30% commission, whatever it is. I'm just telling you examples. You can give him three options. If you go with 30,000, then I will charge 20% commission. If you go with 40,000, I will charge you 15% commission. If you go with 50,000, if you're paying me more, commission less हो जाएगा. If you're paying me less, commission बढ़ जाएगा. This is a win-win situation for both of you. And anyways, the client is going to pay in you 6 figures because commission या तो fees दोनों में से एक तो pay करना ही है, right? इससे क्या होगा? आपको भी काम करने में मजा आएगा, क्लाइंट को भी ज़्यादा प्रेशर नहीं होगा कि मुझे इतनी सारी फीस देनी बिकॉज इट्स ऑन कमीशन एंड बेस फीस. बेस फीस आपको जरूर चार्ज करनी है. अगेन सम क्लाइंट विल आल्सो टेल यू, okay Piyush, so let's do this, let's go on commission only. I'm ready to pay you 30% commission, let's go on commission. No, you don't need to accept that offer. Never accept that offer because इसमें क्या होगा, क्लाइंट आपकी कदर नहीं करेगा. Like 90% चांस है, सब टाइम नहीं होता ऐसा, एंड इट विल नॉट मेक सेंस, राइट? एंड ऑफ कोर्स आपको भी आपका टाइम लग रहा है, आपका डिजाइनर को पे करना है, आपको कॉपीराइटर को पे करना है, सो यू डोंट डू दैट. सो व्हाट यू विल डू इज इन दिस केस, don't say direct no, tell them this, actually this is a resource cost I'm charging, this is a team cost I'm charging. Explain karo unko, this is not the fees which I will get, this is actually a resource cost I will be paying to copywriter, I will be paying to video editor, I will be paying to graphic designer. So that's a resource cost which is very fixed, I can't do anything with that. What I can do is we can play with commissions, we can do this, we can do that. Example unko options do, this is what I do, exactly same what I do. Okay, are you ready for some bonus tips? Are you ready for some bonus tips? Here are some tips. Whenever you're talking about clients, so it's not about कि आपने client lead आ गई, आपने बात की और direct आपको मिल जाएगा. No, there's a follow-up process as well, and money lies in follow-ups. I'm telling you, follow-up is the key if you want more clients. If you want clients, let's say you had call with somebody और उन्होंने बोला I will get back to you और कभी नहीं हुआ. let's suppose अगर आपने मैसेज ही नहीं किया तो कभी get back नहीं करेगा, right? And again, one more tip. Let's suppose you are on a client call and you are ending up the call. Before ending the call, ask them, when can we have our next call? The client will tell, okay, Monday. Okay, can we have a call on Monday? Like 7 p.m. works for you? Okay, 2 p.m. Okay, let's have a call on Monday, 2 p.m. I'm sending you a calendar link, invite link. That's it. It will not look irritating, like, you are messaging them again and again, because the call is already booked in your first call. Okay, these are some again, let's suppose वो कॉल बुक नहीं हुआ है और उन्होंने फिर भी बोला कि let me think, I'll get back to you, I need some time, okay, give me 3 days, I'm traveling, things like that. Then there are some message scripts which you can use. You can do this. Let's suppose आपने किसी client से बात की, आपको लग रहा है potential है, and you want to follow up. You don't need to go and follow up again. Hi, have you thought about my services? No, you don't need to do that. Go add value. This is how you can do. Hi, I was just going through some of your competitors. उनके नाम लिख देना. and I found this amazing ad from one of your competitor. Just thought to share with you for reference. Have a good day. That's it. Hi, how's everything going? Just came across your recent post where you have shared this, and I kind of relate with it. I believe in that. Is something like that you can do. Some personalization. You can follow up like this. This will remind them, okay, हाँ पीयूष से बात हुई थी, पीयूष से बात हुई थी. Again, this another thing is like, hey, just came across your Facebook ads, and I think the CTS missing over here. Just adding a screenshot over here. I hope that helps. And the next follow up could be like this: there's a news something. Hey, I heard that this thing happened in Mumbai, and I hope you and your family are safe. Then again, you can do this as well. Hi, my team has created some sample audit for you. You can just have a look. Hope that helps. Do you think this follow up techniques are amazing? Like, instead of following up like, hi, how are you? Hi, buy my services. You don't need to do that. You just need to use the scripts. You can also wish them on birthdays. You can wish them on festivals. Should be a personalized message. Don't just tell them happy birthday, or don't just tell them happy Diwali or happy New Year. There should be a proper message. Okay, and this is how I do. I'll show you. What I do is, this is one of my client. She asked me to email, then I email her. So I didn't got reply, so I just told her this. Last time we spoke, you asked me to send email details, but didn't receive any reply after that. Hope everything is well at your end. मैंने पूछा, hope everything is well at your end. If you have any question in your mind regarding the work, please feel free to ask. Simple, you tell them this. If you have any question regarding my services or regarding the work, please feel free to ask. Then guess what? Because I was following up with her since like I think 2.5 months or 3 months. She recommended me a client. वो खुद मेरे client नहीं बने, but she recommended me a client. That's a proof from in front of you. Voice note I can't मैं share नहीं कर सकता हूँ. She shared voice note that, hey, thank you so much, and I have recommended you to somebody. She was looking for same services, and you can see, thank you so much for your response and recommending me my name forward. Again, another way is like, you can message something like this to your client. Sometime it may go wrong. Recently crossed 16 lakhs in revenue for one of my client in just 80 days. Would love to get same results for you. Of course, you are getting to get replies. Client will say, oh wow, how, and all that. Then अगर client कुछ बोलता है, तो you can tell them, yeah, would love to do for you. Can we get on a call tomorrow? Sounds good. Tomorrow 9 p.m. Okay, let's do this. I'll call you tomorrow 9 p.m. to share the strategy I use for this client. See you tomorrow at 9 p.m. Simple. Again, one more option. Give them alternate option. One more thing you can do is give them alternate options. Now, this client was from reference, but the thing was, he selected agency, he chose an agency, he started working with that agency. But I was again in the follow-up loop. Then he shared a voice note with me, said, hey, thank you so much, it's great been talking to you. But I already signed up I already hired an agency, and we are on contract basis. So it's of at least 90 days. So I'm surely, I will see the services, then I will get back to you. So I said, sure, you can take your time. Just in case you need any help in growing results, I would happy to help you. For that, you don't need to hire me. You don't need to sign up for my services. You can hire me as a consultant. You can hire me as a consultant, just sharing an alternate option for you. Guess what? He said yes, and we are working together. And right now, there's no agency over there. I'm the sole agency over here. He fired that agency in the month of November or December. So I was a consultant. Then he's because I was giving so much value, so much time to him, so much efforts. I was showing so much efforts to his product, for his webinar, for his courses. He decided to go ahead with me for services. He decided to go ahead with my agency for services, from consultant to services. You just need to enter the client's network. That's it. You just need to start the work. Pricing वगैरह बात की बात है. You just need to start the work. Also, you can do this. अगर आपको कभी ऐसा लगता है कि working for free is also a good strategy, but there should be something exchange of value. You can do this. Hey, sure, we can do that. We can work on commission basis. But here's the thing: if you promise me that you will introduce me with 3 people and would recommend me on LinkedIn and share a video testimonial, you can tell them that, right? If you think the deal is low in terms of money, so don't negotiate directly. Okay, I can do it in 30,000. You can do this. Okay, that's work for me. But can I ask something? In exchange, can you please recommend me to, can you please introduce me to 3 people, and share a video testimonial if you like my services in future. That's it. You need to do that. Okay, tip number 2, I already told you, which पहले मैंने बताया आपको. Collect testimonial videos from your clients because that are very important. Bonus tip number 3 is like, again I told you at the first as beginning, get your first client, focus on his growth, focus on his product for next 30 days instead of getting new clients. Once that client hits particular number, go in the market, promote that case study, and you will get more clients. I'm telling you, this is the exact thing I did in the month of May 2020. I focused on his services. Guess what? We made like around 7-8 lakhs in the first month only, or first 40 days, I think. And this is a very good case study to share. I started sharing that case study on social media. I started sharing that screenshots as you saw before. I started sharing that case study in DMs while on calls. That is how I got my next clients, because I know how to get clients on call. I know how to generate leads. But अगर मेरे पास case study नहीं है, तो there are less chances. More the case study, they will pay me more. Let's suppose I have generated right now. I generated around 60 lakhs for one of my fitness clients. अगर मैं किसी के कॉल पे जाता हूँ, I can show that number to them. I can show the case study to them. There are chances they can pay me more क्योंकि मेरे पास authority है, मैंने इतना रिजल्ट लाया, right? Because मैंने उस client पे focus किया था. You just need to do the same thing. Tip number 3 is there are two kind of services which you might have heard from Russell Brunson. Is it done with you and done for you? In the screenshot you can see I'm offering you done with you. Done with you means consulting. I will consult them, I will guide them over calls, I will create some strategies for them, but execution part will be done by their team or any freelancer they had or any like agency they had. In this case I did the same. He already had somebody for done for you. I said him, no problem, you can hire me for this consulting. It's called done with you. Done for you means complete services. It will be done for you. Again, this is the, you can take screenshot of this and share on stories if you want. This is what I believe, and this is what my mindset is. Easiest way to make 7 figures income is to help your clients making 8 figures. That's it. Let's talk practical. Why clients pay you? Because you have a good sales skills, because you have a good Facebook ad skills, or because you have a good designing knowledge, or designing, you are good in funnels. No, client pays you because he's getting results from your activities, right? He don't care आपको क्या आता है, मेन है रिजल्ट. चाहे आप इंडिया के बेस्ट फनल डिजाइनर भी क्यों ना हो, उसको रिजल्ट नहीं आ रहा तो आपको आपके साथ कंटिन्यू क्यों करेगा? आई मीन फेसबुक एड्स में, राइट? So you just need to focus on getting them results. That's it. Help them winning, help them getting 8 figures, and you will surely make 7 figures. I'm telling you, this is what I'm doing. Just a sec. Okay. Thank you so much for your valuable time.